Hello students, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the classes on standard costing. In this video we will be working out a problem on material variances covering three types of variances, that is material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. Let's go through the question now. NXE Manufacturing Concern furnishes the following information. Now, they have given standard and actual data. Standard and actual data is given separately. The first two parts is standard data and the remaining three items they have given here is actual data. So standard and actual data is provided for us. Let us see what they have given in the standard data. Material for 70 kg finished products, 100 kg. What do you mean by that? To manufacture 70 kgs of finished products, to manufacture 70 kgs of finished products, they are using 100 kg of input. Try to understand. 70 kg finished product anna manufacture ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ 100 kgs of raw materials is needed. See, during the course of manufacture, there is a chance that the materials will be damaged or there will be a chances of weight loss. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Like if you take some groundnuts example, and the input quantity of groundnuts will not be equal to the output quantity of oil. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆ ಜಿ ಕಡಲೆ ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So even if you take the example of a paddy, ಎಷ್ಟು ಭತ್ತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆ ಜಿ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So therefore during the course of manufacture there will be a weight loss. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 100 kgs of raw materials ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can manufacture 70 kgs of finished product. So 100 kgs input ಗೆ 70 kgs output ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And what is the price of material? Price of material, that is standard price of material is 1 rupee per kg. ಒಂದು kgಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಬಂದು 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. To manufacture 70 kgs we have to use 100 kgs of input, that is the standard. Now, when you come to the actual data, actual output is they have manufactured 2,10,000 kgs. They have manufactured 2,10,000 kgs of output, and how much actual materials they have used? 2,80,000 kgs, and actual cost of materials is 2,52,000. So standard go actual go difference artha madkoli. Standard is given for manufacturing 70 kgs. Standard is given for manufacturing 70 kgs ಗೆ 100 kg input ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ standard. But actual ಆಗಿ they have manufactured 2,10,000. They have manufactured 2,10,000. So the actual output is 2,10,000 kgs by using 2,80,000 kgs of input. Now you should calculate standard quantity here. To calculate standard quantity, 100 kgs of input is used to manufacture 70 kgs of output. 100 kgs of input is used to manufacture 70 kgs of output. So to manufacture 2,10,000 kgs, what should be the standard quantity? Understand very carefully. Standard information is given for us to calculate, to manufacture 70 kgs. But that standard should be adjusted for the actual output. That is very, very, very important in the case of a material variances problem. Always the standard items given should be converted to the actual output. So standard quantity should be 100 by 70 into 2,10,000. Why 100 by 70? We are using 100 kgs of input for 70 kgs of output. So to get 2,10,000 kgs of output, what should we use? So that when you calculate, you should be getting 3 lakh kgs. You should be getting 3 lakh kgs. Or you can calculate this in another simple method also, like 100 kgs of input is used for 70 kgs ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1 kg ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು that can be multiplied with actual output 2,10,000. So ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು you will get the same thing. So we have calculated standard quantity for actual output. This step is very, very, very important. If you can't do this step, you will not get the material variances problem correctly. So standard information ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುವಲ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So in this case, standard quantity should be 3 lakh kgs, not 100 kgs. 100 kgs is given for 70 kgs, but 2,10,000 kgs output ge 2,10,000 kgs ke output estagutte annodu we have calculated. Our standard quantity came to 3 lakh kgs. Now let us proceed to the solution part of this. Standard quantity of input for actual output, that is SQ. It is simply put it as standard quantity. So we have done the same thing, 100 divided by 70 into 2,10,000 kgs, that is getting 3 lakhs kgs. So standard quantity you got 3 lakh kgs. Now, and standard price is directly given in the question. Where is standard price? 1 rupee. What about actual quantity? Actual quantity is also given. Materials used, actual materials used, that is actual quantity 2,80,000. Then where is actual price or actual rate? To calculate actual price or actual rate, you have to divide the cost of materials by actual kgs. That means 2,52,000 rupees is the actual cost of materials. Actual cost of materials 2,52,000. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಜಸ್ಗೆ? 2,80,000 kgs materials used. So 1 kg ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು you can calculate by dividing 2,52,000 divided by 2,80,000, that comes to 0.90, that is 90 paise should be your actual price per kg. Standard price per kg material avare kottidare 1 rupee, so you need not calculate. But actual price per kg of material is not given. Instead, they have given total. Actual total cost kottidare 2,52,000. 2,52,000 rupees is for 2,80,000 kgs. Materials used also they have given. So when you know the total cost of materials and the quantity of materials, cost divided by quantity anta madkondre nimge 1 kg ge estagutte annodu sikbidutte, that is 90 paise. So when you got actual price, now you can proceed with the calculation of variances. Now let us first begin with material usage variance. The formula is standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. Idanna neevu in some textbooks and in some cases they will use standard price anna ee kadege hakkondirtare. Nothing to worry. Standard price multiply ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಅದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಆ ಕಡೆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಸೊ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. So standard quantity we have just now calculated, that is 3 lakh kgs minus actual quantity is given in the question 2,80,000 kgs into standard price 1 rupee. So 3 lakhs minus 2,80,000 is 20,000 rupees. So it is positive, therefore bracket alli F anta bariri, favorable variance. Whenever your answer is positive, you should be writing favorable or a simple capital F in the brackets. Now let's go to the second variance, that is material price variance, and the formula is actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. Actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. So standard price per kg is 1 rupee. Actual price we have calculated 0.90. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 2,52,000 divided by 2,80,000 kg, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 0.90 90 ಪೈಸೆ ಪರ್ kg. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 1 rupee minus actual price 90 paise. So 1 minus 90 into 2,80,000. So 1 minus 90, that will be minus, not minus, 1 minus 0.90 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it should be positive value only. So 10 paise, that should be 0.10. 1 minus 0.90 is 0.10. 0.10 into 2,80,000, that comes to 28,000 favorable. So material price variance onsala gamanisi. The formula is standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. So standard price is 1 rupee, actual price is 0.90, that is 90 paise, into actual quantity is 2,80,000 kgs. So 1 minus 0.90 will be 0.10. 0.10 into 2,80,000, you will get 28,000, that is a favorable variance. Let's move on to calculate material cost variance. Material cost variance, the formula is standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost means standard quantity into standard price. Actual cost means actual quantity into actual price. Now let's go to standard cost, that is standard quantity into standard price. Standard quantity now calculate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ 3 lakh kgs into standard price is 1 rupee. So 3 lakhs into 1 minus 2,80,000 into 90 paise actual quantity into actual price, that comes to 3 lakhs minus 2,52,000, 48,000. It's a positive amount, so 48,000 favorable. So ಮೂರು ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now let us proceed to the verification step. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಚೆಕ್ MCV equals to MPV plus MUV. That means material cost variance is equals to material price variance plus material usage variance. So cost variance is 48,000 favorable, price variance 28,000 favorable, and usage variance is 20,000 favorable. So 48 equals to 28 plus 20, that should be 48,000 equals to 48,000 checked or verified. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ